Okay. Hello and good evening, everyone. So today is day 5 of our 21-day commitment of sharing days learning, one day at a time, sharing and trying to be better, stronger, and support ourselves, to stay strong in this ruthless yet wonderful journey called life. Okay, so my today's learning is make your day count by being productive to yourself. So this is quite subjective. I'll explain it. Now, see how it works. No matter how bad your days have been, no matter how your day was or your days have been since past, couple of days, weeks, months, how busy you have been, and things like that. You feeling low, you feeling okay, you not feeling good, you just you just don't feel like doing things. That's okay. That's completely fine. But see, this cannot be happening by every passing day. You have to take control of yourself. First thing. Now, it's easy to say, difficult to practice. I completely understand. There is no doubt about it. But we will have to step out of this situation, right? You have to agree with me on this. So, you know, this is important to be productive. This is very important to work on yourself. Something which it's not something which you like to do. कि मन अपने मन की करो या दिल की करो, दैट इज़ वन थिंग. दिस व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे इज़ डिफरेंट. Do something productive to yourself which will help you grow career wise, as a human being, which will help you grow mentally, which will help you grow in, help in the growth of your confidence, your personality, which will be definitely the added value to your resume, to your career, to your personal life. So there can be a lot of things which you can put into practice. Now, you can say, for example, you are done with your day's work at your workplace. Definitely you cannot be indulging in any other activity other than your work, or sharing things and chatting with your colleagues. But yes, when you're back home, relaxed, mentally and physically, then you have to make sure that you do something of that nature which will help you in your coming days. Okay, for example, taking up any online course maybe, or writing an article, start writing blogs, creating vlogs like I'm doing. So see, when you get indulged into such kind of things, you look forward to your, I mean, the activity. Today I have to do this, I have not done. And when you go to bed after you have done, you have accomplished the task, then you feel very satisfied. No matter what all struggles are there in your head, difficulties and question marks and regrets, pains and stuff like that, but still somewhere some part of you is so satisfied that okay, something good happened. So this makes your entire day so worth it, and you thank yourself. You really thank yourself, कि thank you for making it work out. So this is what I have to say for today. And also, you don't deserve to stay lost. You don't deserve to you punish yourself Why everybody else is busy punishing you, then why do you have to at least support yourself? So do something which will help you feel good at the end of the day, which will keep you busy, thinking about what next you can do for the next day. You will be occupied thinking about it at the back of your mind while doing your stuff at office or your work or at home or things like that. So it is very important. These videos things, they really, I look forward to creating them, to producing one of them. Okay, I have to do it. uh, there may be some uncomfortable zones coming up, but that's okay. That also somewhere, teaches you to, okay, that's okay. If it is uncomfortable, I have to do it somehow. So every small step, as I said earlier, that helps you grow stronger, builds up your brain muscles, and makes you stay bold. Now, and also one more thing, that you can't let your entire day bleed unnecessarily without being of any use. Some clot has to be created. I don't know, this just came out, so I am saying that. So okay, like 12 hours, 16 hours we have got to spend. So what we can do is 8 hours we spend in like our work, maybe college, office, or things involved in daily chores of household. 8 10 hours, 6 hours we are busy, doing our daily activities. Take 2 out of it. Now remaining 4 hours, okay, watching TV, having some personal time. Take one, say 2 hours more. Now you're left with 2 hours. Do really great with those 2 hours. Okay, just not think, put your thinking into action. Okay, be it writing, be it creating a presentation, be it working on something, maybe which can carve a path for you, uh, which will lead to a destination, to a place where you want to be in future. So that is important. So we should be doing that. I am trying to do that, and I'm hoping, and I'm actually hoping and really focusing, intentionally focusing and working towards it. Intentionally focusing. At times your focus shifts, many times my focus shifts, but then I have to make sure that my focus remains there, what I want. Here and there it's okay, but once my brain gets used to it, then it is, I will definitely achieve what I want. So I will surely let you know what when I achieve it. I'll surely let you know. That's my promise. So this is for the day, and thank you so much. I hope whatever efforts I am making, this is giving me a lot of satisfaction, and I hope that these videos would give you some kind of relief and satisfaction, and will help you uh, in getting better, in resolving things inside your head, uh, amongst your beloved ones, and most importantly for yourself. So I hope all the best to you, and good luck, great health. Wish you all goodness. Let's stay stronger. Let's stay and get better every day. Okay, stay connected, and see you with the next video. Okay, bye. Thank you.